Got this 250 Virago, and old mate picked it up. Said it needed a new starter motor, and the bloke who bought it as a project but never did anything with it. Now it's ended up in my mate's hands, and so I've had a look at it myself. Took this cover off, and I cranked this over with a not a spanner, a ratchet, and I freed up the starter motor. And now you turn the key, press the button, the engine's cranking over but won't start. There's no spark. So closer inspection, we've found that it doesn't have the TCI unit. So we looked online, and the genuine part is $100, but we found this aftermarket one for $30. So we thought, for the sake of $30, we'll give it a go. So we'll find out if a $30 part will work, in place of a $100 part. So I'm going to put this back together, plug that in, hopefully spray a bit of Start Your Bastard in the carby or whatever, and see if she'll crank over and start. Alright, so here we go. We've got some fuel in her, we've got battery jump in her, got the module connected, choke on full, ignition on. Alright, so what I'll do, I had a feeling that it might not do anything yet. I'm going to put some Start Your Bastard straight down the pistons, and just the one side will do for starters, and see if we get any sign of life from her. Alright, so we've got some Start Your Bastard in there, ignition on, we're all good to go. Got my mate that's going to just give it the throttle if it starts up a bit. Alright, well, we've got some life there, so I'm going to put some more Start Your Bastard in this piston and the other piston. Give it a good drain, flooding, and get my mate to give full throttle while I crank it over, and hopefully we get a good high RPM rev out of it, and that choke will suck some fuel through. Alright, so here we go again. So open the throttle right up, everything is good to go, choke's on full. All the way. Was that it? And that's all she wrote. What can we do? Right, so new to the scene on the motorbike side of things. We took the tank off, worked out that the filter comes through the frame and out the side here. So I'm going to spray Start Your Bastard down the guts there while mate goes full throttle to start off with, and probably back it off once we get it going or whatever, and yeah, so we go. So you're right to press start and go. Right, keep going. Got full. Is that full throttle? Beautiful. Couple of days, mate. Something going on with the wiring. It's getting a bit hot. Anyway, she goes, and that's for working out. Why did that getting hot there? That's getting really hot right there on those leads. Anyway, guys, the whole video is about will the cheap TCI work? It does. The other problems we need to work out. It's got a leaking carby, bit of fuel coming out of there. Got some smoking up wires up here. We need to work out what's going on there. But we'll iron this out. Fixer upper, but we'll get there. Cheers, guys.